this is one of the pages that we enjoyed putting into the diary because it was something that we kind of thought about but wasn't sure how to put it in. So this is a monthly overlay, outlay of all the dates so that you can see it on one page, and a bit of a planner inside of your daily planner. And again, have Te Rā Nui and Whiro.
And then also, so then we have the translation of the loan word, so of January, but then also the reference here is to the Māori month, so Kohi Tātia, and because for the Māori month, it doesn't actually start until Whiro, so that's why it's here as well.
Then it's our daily layout page, so Monday through to Friday we've got the same layout, and if you've got our Ngā Mata books on our moon journals, you'll notice there's some similar features here. So we've got same old same, time is important.
So we've started ours, and I think this is probably slightly different from
those
others.
who go to the gym.
Yeah. Or just early risers.
Or early risers like us.
Not going to the gym, but I'm early riser.
Yeah.
So 5 a.m. is normally when my day starts, so we wanted to have that for everybody, and then only going up until 9 p.m. because seriously, if you're scheduling anything after 9, then yeah, probably not good.
Yeah. I want to think about that.
Yeah. So
yeah,
5 to 9.
Your priorities and your to-do list, so the things that are important to do in the list, because often you can get caught in your day without actually having a goal, having a focus. So that again, those same themes just keep coming through around moving with purpose, planning with purpose.
And then, I don't know if you can see it very well in here, but we just made sure there's a bit of a gap in here. So the theory was, as we were creating it, was we thought you would kind of put all of your scheduled kind of appointments
on that
or
side,
on anything on here, and then this space is
notes,
all free for notes, right? So you can do both. And then this feature, which you've seen in our weekly planner, and we wanted to ensure it was also within our daily, is about mindfully thinking every day, what are you grateful for? Because if you're any kind of believer in the whole notion of abundance comes from gratitude. So a daily reminder of what you're grateful for. Oh, and then up here, you can also then record what the marama phase is, right over here. And then also...
a bit of space in there to write it to, or whatever else you want to write it there.
And then, sorry, the next page. So you know how people have tabs in their diaries?
Yep.
So we have the tabs as well, and we've got the Māori kupu here on your right side, and then if you're not sure about it, then we've got the English on your left.
Yeah. And they're not indented, they're nicely bordering the page. You do get that question.
Yeah.
And then our weekend layout.
So the weekend layout is just slightly different in terms of has the same times, your energy question, but then what we have put in is for people to actually reflect back and think about over the past week, what has been your challenges and learnings, and then what have been your wins and highlights, and then think about what are your goals for the week ahead. So it's always that kind of
look back, move forward. Yep.
So you're always sort of practicing that. And then, so that's the same for every day on a daily. So similar to the Ngā Tuhi monthly planner, we have information all about matariki, and then we also have a period next for a mid-year reflection. Right, so following the same format, also looking back over the past 26 weeks and just have a look at what you're grateful for, your wins and highlights.
And we do get questions. We know that not everyone is the matariki period, but it's there as a marker just to start again that particular journey, whether you're with rehua or puanga.
And then we go back to the
so
same
all of a sudden
daily weekend.
Then it's December and it's Christmas.
And there's your notes pages. The extra notes pages in the back. Our acknowledgements, so we always have that in all of our puka of where we've sourced information from. And then the 2021, ability to plan for the year ahead.